Grade Pro makes it very easy to add students to your app. To go to the Manage Students screen, tap on the plus button and select Manage Students. Here on the left side, you have your master list, which will have all students in the app. And on the right side will show the current students in each class. To add a student, tap the plus button, select Add Student manually. And the way students are arranged is, or identified, is by a first and last name and also student ID. You don't need to use a student ID, but keep in mind if you do have two students with the same first and last name, then you will need to definitely use an ID for those students so you can differentiate them. I will just add a student over here. We'll call them John Smith. And I will give John an ID of 1. There's also space for a bunch of different other options, some up to 2 parents or guardians information. So you can set those, but we'll just stick with the name right now. Tap Save at the top right when done. And you'll see here on the master list, John Smith has been added. To move John into class 1, simply tap the arrow to the right of his name. And now John is in class 1. You can simply add other students and add them to the classes the same way. And if you want to add students to another class, I can tap on class 1 here, switch to class 2. And again, here's John. I can move him into class 2, and so on and so on. If I go back to year 2 here, you'll see in class 1, there's John Smith appeared there. There are other options. If you have a spreadsheet list, you can generate a CSV file and go ahead and link to Dropbox, and you'll be able to import a class list or student information list through Dropbox. And if you use Google Classroom, simply tap on this icon to link to Google Classroom, and you'll be able to import student lists directly from your Google Classroom lists, which makes it super easy to get your app up and running. All right, enjoy using the app. Thank you.